during, and after the production process. We conduct production process inspections and inbound-outbound inspections. Our inspectors calibrate and inspect all products strictly in accordance with the product inspection procedures. Currently, we have independently developed a variety of testing and tooling systems that are efficient and reliable. The online automatic monitoring instrument tooling testing system for water quality by colorimetry can automatically test multiple products simultaneously. The sensor calibration testing tooling system, while the sensor data aging tooling system, is capable of providing 24-hour uninterrupted data tracking for 300 sensors. The residual chlorine calibration testing workstation system allows for one-click calibration of multiple test points. The product test data is automatically uploaded to the ERP system, enabling real-time alerts for abnormal data. Related test records and data can be retrieved at any time through the SNS number for product quality traceability. From product research and development to manufacturing and delivery, Probest strives to achieve the best, specializing in manufacturing and pursuing quality with dedication.